In this video, I want to show you how productive annual field crops like squash can be used outside the formal veggie garden to make a quick yield in developing perennial areas. But before I shape the mound and sow seeds, let's take a quick side trip to the compost bin and sift some black gold.
The stuff that I sift out of here is just teeming with bacteria, fungi. We're getting life forms to unlock all the nutrients that are tied up in the waste. And by doing so, their activity generates fertility. We're really getting some nice stuff out of here. You can see how there's a fair bit of sand and perlite in there just because of the amount of potting soil that's being recycled through this system. But mostly it's just beautifully broken down humus.
This slow release of moisture and nutrients from the compost will be key to growing a needy annual plant like squash in a lower maintenance perennial area of blueberry, fig, and herbs.